Hello dear ones, a warm welcome to Tolivola and welcome to a super beautiful pattern today. I will show you a pattern with single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. And of course, chains of chain stitches are crocheted at the beginning. A super beautiful pattern, very even and always slightly offset sideways or row by row. We always have a slight pull in one of the two directions, either to the right or to the left, because the double crochets are always on the other side. What I mean by this, you'll see in a moment. And first of all, I'll introduce the yarn I used and of course the needle. Enjoy the tutorial. So, my dears, I'm starting with the vegan cashmere yarn here from Rico Design in this cute pink color. The color is actually number 3 and I've already taken out a little bit from the skein. And we have here 50 grams for 100 meters, 100% polyamide, actually for size 4 to 5 needles. I'm crocheting a bit larger now again with my size 6 needle. And let's get started. First, let's take a look at the yarn a bit, and here we actually have the starting thread. And I'll show you that a bit more closely. Here we have several individual strands that are twisted around each other. Very, very fine threads that together form this main thread, around which there is a bit of fluff. I start as a base with a multiple of 3 as the base. And for me, that will be 15 stitches. So 5 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
The yarn works very, very nicely with the 6mm needle, and I'll skip the first 3 stitches right away.
So skip the first 3 stitches, insert into the 4th stitch and crochet a single crochet, a half double crochet and a double crochet into it there. So 3 different stitches worked into 1 stitch. Then I skip 2 stitches and do it all again. A single crochet, a half double crochet, of course making a yarn over for that, and a double crochet. Again, the same 3-stitch pattern. Then skip 2 stitches, and again, a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches again, and crochet the whole thing again. Single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. And then I crochet another half double crochet into the last stitch on the outside. And then I'm finished with my first row. Then it continues with the next row, and I take 1 chain stitch for the height, turn it once, and now I crochet the same pattern again. Now the exact insertion point matters. I insert before the last double crochet, so I insert into this gap and crochet the whole thing again. Single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. And then it goes directly over here to the next insertion point. Again, insert just below the double crochet, single crochet, yarn over. Yeah. We have a small extra thread. Where did that come from? Let's take a look. That is the starting thread that has fanned out. Nah. Just a piece of lint. Well, remove the lint and continue with the half double crochet, then the double crochet, and it goes over here again, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Then over here again to the insertion point, single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. You see how the stitches are already layered here. And here comes then a half double crochet as an edge stitch to the starting chain. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bundles, just like in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the pattern basically always continues like this. I take another chain stitch for the height, turn everything around once and start again here with the pattern. Crochet a single crochet into the large opening, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Then it goes over here once. Here it's already getting a bit tighter. I just crochet into this spot below the double crochet. Single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. Then go across here. You can also feel it quite well with your fingers. Single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Then we go over here. Here we have the next insertion point, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. And you see how the packages always lean a bit to the sides. These here lean a bit to the left. It always goes in the direction where your crochet hook is, of course. So these fall over to the left, the ones in the previous row to the right, and that's why it's slightly offset. Now, of course, the final stitch goes around here. So on the outside here, I will now crochet a fixed, a half double crochet into it. So, and with that, I also have the insertion point. For the first package in the next row, I'll take you along for another row. Single crochet as a base, and then it starts here. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, pull in the yarn a bit, and then we have the next insertion point here. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and here again, single crochet, half double crochet, stitch, and here on the outside once around, and no, actually a half double crochet, not a single crochet. That might be a bit confusing if you're used to always starting with single crochet stitches. But actually there's a half double crochet around it, and then we are already on the next row. I'll crochet another 2 or 3 rows and of course show you my progress. And here I am again after a few more rows. You can see the pattern is developing really nicely. There's always this slight pull either to the right or to the left, always shifted side by side or row by row, and you also have a slight hole formation naturally always just below the stitch point, especially if you stretch it slightly apart. A very beautiful, very easy to crochet pattern, and I hope you enjoyed and had fun with it again. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, activate the bell, don't forget, and we'll see each other next time at Tolle Wolle. See you then. Bye.